Population in Spain, ShipOwner 414. This is a huge opportunity to see how the population in Spain now it has grown from 45 to 48.5 million. Well, perhaps it might not sound quite a lot for you, dear shipowner, but if we think about 4 million seafarers in this planet Earth and the influx of these 3.5 million more inhabitants in Spain, which it could be from today even open to more, because we need to pay the pensions of the politicians and the government workers, and those that don't really want to work is 4.9 people, and then the rest of those that we pay the taxes for also, we are going to retire one day, also someone needs to pay the pension for, and then we are bringing this whole big amount of immigrants. Where are these immigrants going to arrive from? They are going to arrive from America, from Morocco, which is the closest area that we have links with. So it is now a huge opportunity, dear shipowner, to think about, should we, for example, catering RoPax ships, be able to have local Latino but Spanish citizens? Can we employ them under European flags? Of course, yes. Are we going to have a huge saving for this travel? Of course, yes. Will they return to the original countries? Well, it depends. Perhaps the first time they have to, then the second time not. But they are going to be much more flexible for this. Are we going to think now about the Spanish flag? Well, think about it, because sí, por favor, it is a great opportunity to have under Spanish language now, Spanish flag. Why? Because they will get the working permit much faster. Well, that's what they say. Probably it's a lie, because politicians only lie. But is this a huge opportunity to explore? Yeah, contact me, and then I'm always available to make your budget 2025 ESG, corporate social responsible, transparent, goodwill, and think about the long-term value, intrinsic value of your company. Thank you. Bye.